Everyone, today our new chapter is 11 and our 11th chapter is about the national emblem. Now in this chapter we will learn about the different important things present in our India. First, our national emblem is a replica of the lion, capital of Ashoka at the Sarnath near the Varanasi in UP. Now next one, it was adopted by the government of India in the 26th January 1950. Now the third one, there are four lions, one in hidden from view, standing back to back on a circular base in the emblem. The symbolic power, pride, courage, and confidence. This is the symbol of our India. Now next one, on it circular base there are four animals as guardian of the four direction: the lion north, elephant east, horse south, and the bull west. These are separated by wheels that signify the progress of the nation. Now next one, whenever the emblem is used by the government, it is necessary to have the words Satyame Jayate right under the emblem, which means truth alone triumphs. You can see this in your book. Near the symbol of the lion, there has been written the Satyame Jayate, and it is the word means truth alone triumphs. Now, our national emblem tells us that we must have peace in the world and not wars. And we know that our country do not like to war with the other country at any moment because we always want peace. Now our quiz time question first is, in which script is Satyame Jayate inscribed below the emblem? And it is in Devanagari. Yes, our Satyame Jayate is inscribed below the emblem is in Devanagari language. Now, how many lions are standing back to back in our national emblem? Our answer is 4. Yes, 4 lions are there. Now third one, name the flower on which the lion capital has kept it. It is lotus. Yes, our the flower on which the lion capital has been kept, it is lotus. Our 12th chapter is about camping. Now we will discuss the different camping process. Now you can see that you make a trip on foot through mountains areas for a few days, and it is called trekking. Yes, it is called trekking. Second one, you can sing song, dance, play instrument and enjoy together in the group, and it is called campfire. The third one, this hobby can bring lot of appreciations from your friends and family. It is called cooking delicious food. Fourth one, after a day camp, you can refresh yourself by reading a book. You write notes about how you spend your camp days. It is called recreation. Now we will discuss the quiz question. What is a must to carry our on a camp trip? It is party dress. Yes, we should must carry party dress on the camp trip. Now the next one, camping is all of these because an outdoor adventure is happen, an enjoyable experience you can feel, a learning experience you can feel. So our answer is all of these. Now the third one, name a famous camping spot in India, and our answer is all of these again because Spiti Valley in Himachal Pradesh, Pushkar in Rajasthan, Anjuna in Goa, these all are the beautiful camping spot you can visit in there in our country. Now the third one, 13th chapter is about emojis. Now there are the different emojis. With the help of we can identify them. Now the first one is emojis louch with joy and has an open mouth. Our answer is emojis louch with joy and has an open mouth. Our answer is D1. Yes. Now the second one, emojis is shocked with eyes wide open and red cheeks. Our answer is the F1. Now the third one, emojis only see the heart in the love. Our answer is A1. Sorry, our answer is G1. Emojis only see the heart in love is our answer is G1. Now the fourth, emojis with tongue you outside hope to eat something delicious. Our answer is A. Yes. Emojis with tongue you outside hoping to eat something delicious is our answer is A. Now the fifth one, emojis with sunglasses see something totally casual and look. Our answer is H. Now the sixth one, emojis with hands wanted to hug you. Now our answer is B. Now the seventh one, emojis with chip mouth means stop talking. Our answer is C. Now 8, emojis with orange red head means being anger. Our answer is E. In quiz time, what does this emojis cover? First is sleepy and the second one is cry. Yes, first is sleepy and the second one is cry. Now our 14th chapter is about homemade meals versus fast food meals. Now in this chapter we will differentiate between them. Now first is homemade food contain nutrients to make our body strong and healthy. Second one, eat fast food cause obesity because it contain high amount of fats and sugar. The third one, when you eat homemade foods you become healthy and strong because it is a balanced diet. Now the fourth one, when you eat homemade food you immunity increases you and you are able to fight from the diseases. Now in the quiz question, first is which of the following food is healthy for you? Now our answer is chapati and vegetable is the healthy food because french rice, burger, pizza is not a healthy food. Now next question, this is good for our eyes. Our answer is carrot. Yes, carrot is good for our eye. Now the third one, homemade food is all of this, clean, fresh and full of nutrients are all available in our homemade food. Now the fourth one, this is good for our bones as it has calcium. Milk, yes, milk contain calcium and it makes our bones strong. Now in the 15th chapter we will learn about the companies of and good and good in 15th chapter we will learn about company of good friends. Now first you can see that by listening and observing good friends you learn a lot of things for them from them. Their good tips and experience contribute to your success. It gives our answer is give you honest opinion. Yes, give you honest opinion. Now in the second one, good friends make a major impact in our life with our good qualities. The time you spend with them can help you thinking and behave like a good child. So our answer is strength your thoughts process. Yes, our answer is strength our thoughts process. Now the third one, good friend help to protect you from wrong habits like lying and stealing. They develop confidence in you, protect you from the company of the bad friends and save you from the negative thoughts. Now our answer is save you from the negativity. Yes, our answer is save you from the negativity. Now the last one, when you share your friends happiness with your good friends, the happiness gets multiplied many times. Similarly, if you share your problem and difficulty with them, the problems get solved. They help you think clear and act fast to solve your problems. Our answer is help you in time of need. Yes, our answer is help you in time of need.